Hey, what's going on? I'm going to share with you the 7 best bathroom cleaning supplies that you need to have on deck. And might I add, it's eco-friendly. So it's great for you, your family, and the environment. I love to use products with those in mind. And if you're the same, go ahead and like this video right now because I know I'm not by myself. So with that being said, you're probably like, Amber, why do you have 7 products? And the reason is because not all materials in your home is created equal. Manufacturers are continuing to put out new materials, whether it's for cost-effective reasons. Some people are on board with the environmental bandwagon, and some people are just finding new ways to make our bathrooms and different things look more extravagant. So whatever it may be, these 7 eco-friendly products is the best bathroom supplies that you should have on hand to get the job done. And we're going to talk about them from top to bottom because the bathroom needs to be clean from top to bottom, right? So we're going to start with the Swiffer duster. It's a 360 and you can use all sides of the duster, not just one side, meaning you can get multiple uses out of just one duster, and it's going to save you a lot of time and definitely money. So the next product that I'm going to recommend is Mrs. Meyers. Whether you are cleaning houses, or whether you're cleaning your home for personal use, I love the aromatic smell of this lavender Mrs. Meyers all-purpose cleaner that gets the job done in all aspects of your home. If you're a house cleaner, I definitely would suggest that you buy your products in a concentrate. And the reason why is going to save you a lot of money in the end versus buying store-bought bottles every single time. Now, if you originally start with a store-bought bottle, that's fine. You can reuse this bottle multiple times. It's plastic, so why not? Now, if you're going to use Mrs. Meyers Concentrate, it tells you how the instructions on the back on how to use or how much concentrate you should use for a gallon of, I say, a jug of water. Reuse that jug, and it only takes 1/4 cup to get the job done. Now, some of you may or may not be familiar with Bars Keepers Friend. Bars Keepers is great, not just for stainless steel, but for your porcelain materials. So that's your toilet or your sink and your tub, depending on the grime and what needs to be done. Now, I love Dawn. The blue Dawn is the best Dawn out of all of them. Not only can you use this safely on your floors, but it's definitely great for your granite and your marble material. And if you're not sure what material you have in your bathroom, Dawn is going to be the best mold to go with. Now you got Krud Kuttr. Krud Kuttr is going to be great for those icky, nasty bathrooms. So it's a great degreaser, but it also removes grime. So Krud Kuttr is where it's at, buddy. I'm telling you, Krud Kuttr is a game changer. Now, due to the world and the state that we are in, I'm going to tell you straight up. If you don't know about Odoban, Odoban is where it's at. Not only is it great for your laundry, your detergent, it's great for sanitizing, disinfecting, and it's an all-purpose cleaner. There's so many more uses that you can use for this. It even says it's a deodorizer. But to me personally, the smell does not outbeat the aromatic smell of Mrs. Meyers. But they're both lavender, I tell you that. Just because I love lavender. So if you love lavender, leave that in the comments below, or what smells you like to use in your home. But Odoban is where it's at. And so speaking of Zap Cleaner, they have a concentrate too, and it's a pH neutral cleaner. The one I like about the neutral cleaner is water is its main component, so that makes it eco-friendly. Now, there are different things you can use, which soap and water is considered a pH neutral. It's basically meaning that you're finding a product that has more water than the chemical itself and is getting the job done. You can use this on tile and wood. Now, I highly recommend if you use it on wood that you use just a little bit and not drench your wood floors, because wood and water do not mix, my friend. Don't do it. And if you're like, oh, I'm scared I'm going to ruin it, just stick with your soap and water and get the job done. You're going to want to use your glass cleaning cloth and your Mrs. Meyers for your glass, whether it's your shower doors or your mirrors. And then I highly recommend that you use Scotch Brights blue non-scratch pads. They have green and blue. Don't do that. Use the blue non-scratch because you can use it on multiple surfaces, whether it's your pots and pans, etc. And it's definitely going to help you get the job done without damaging and scratching whatever surface you're cleaning with. I'm a big believer in not cross-contaminating people's homes. Whatever color-coded system you choose to use, we use blue. In my company, we use blue, and that just means we're not using our bathroom cloths in our kitchen and vice versa. So mixing them is not the way to go. One, because we eat and we do different things on those surfaces, and that can be consumed in our body. So keep that in mind. And if you're cleaning, whether you have disposable gloves or from a professional cleaning perspective, get your disposable gloves and your PPE stuff, which is your personal protective equipment. Get that stuff no matter what area you're cleaning, and do it properly. You have a definite icky bathroom and you've used Krud Kuttr, used different things, and certain stains are coming out. You want to use your magic eraser. Now this is a melamine sponge, which means that it's very like a cousin to sandpaper. So it's abrasive and you need to use it with water to get the job done. But be very gentle on what you use it on, because it can ruin stuff if you don't know and not educated properly on it. And since we're talking about cleaning things from top to bottom, you want to make sure that you sweep the floor as you exit on the way out, and that you use, whether you're using a Swiffer, a mop pad or whatever, and you want to be conscious about disposing of paper goods, get you a microfiber cloth and cut it in half and use that for your floor. You can use old socks and etc. to continue to reuse and repurpose the things that we have on hand. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you did, go ahead and like this video and share it with someone else who was like, dang, they're probably been missing out on the best eco-friendly products that you could be using to clean your bathroom. So in the meantime, check out this next video. I'm going to share with you multiple ways to save you time and money, and consider subscribing. So take care, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.